Good afternoon, everybody. We're back at the Stonette shop, and here's just a little video of this cap that's in the floor of my shop, and I really have no idea what it is. So here's the cap. There was a wood stove here, big wood stove, and that metal plate, one of the legs of it was resting on that, and then it went through the wall there. So this is all dirt here, and I don't know why. And then what, 3 feet away is this. And let me take the plug out. Kind of hard to do with one hand. That's about 24 inches. And there's the hole. And it goes down every bit of that length of that plug. And it's got dirt in it. And I've been hitting it with a rod and vacuuming out the dirt, but I don't know if it's a tank. No idea. No idea if it could be a tank, if somebody busted up the concrete there and filled it. And that's why I'm hitting dirt in there. I really have no idea. No idea. And if it is a tank, I'm not sure why it would be right there. And, you know, it could be a waste oil tank. I have no idea. I know this building used to be a heavy equipment repair shop, and I'm pretty sure it was built in the 50s. So take a look and tell me what you think. Got a front coming in. Supposed to get some maybe snow and rain and sleet. So if we go down the same wall, that I'm pretty sure is a water bib in that hole there. And I'll have to investigate that one also. I'm pretty sure that's water, because if we go outside the shop, there's some black poly right there. So that's probably what it is. So you guys be safe. Have a good day.